Good morning, welcome to the Barn Farm. Today we're going to pull up the mulch from over at the tanker and come along with us, and we're going to do chores right now. So come along with us.
So George is going to do the cats right now. They're like, Georgie, feed me or water me. Yeah, you should water them. Okay, Johnny, you're going to feed the horses. Let's get to it. So Johnny's pulling down some hay so then we could feed our horses.
Go, go, go! Oh, I'm pulling it.
Boom!
George, start filling up a bucket for Muffin. Wait, buddy, that was cool.
Yeah, I'll feed you one.
Nice video.
So we just finished chores. Now we're gonna walk. We're gonna make sure they're all good. Check the gates. Okay, so we're gonna walk over there. There's some work over there. So we made it to the field over here. All the goats are coming to say hi. Hey, Patches. Okay, let's go, George. Okay, Johnny, type the gate.
Okay. There's a whole herd of goats right there. There's one extra down there. So yeah.
That's how it has to be. Willow, willow, rise our soft dew. Soon she's gone and school's out, folks are moving away. But across the state I know, California.
Ooka chaka, huh?
I wonder when
How you doing, Ruthie?
So we made it pretty well. We got it about to here. Johnny got all the way down there. George still isn't back with his pitchfork. I don't know where he is. But yep. So George, you brought us back a new pickaxe. Did you make that? Yeah. Was it hard? Nice. Well, thank you. So we've got it pretty good right here. And we tried to get it up over here on this side, and it's all frozen. Try to get it all undone. We just ripped it, and it wouldn't. We don't want to leave all of this plastic in there, but it's all frozen right here, so it's a pain in the butt to get up. So we're not really gonna be able to get that up. This side isn't that bad. You just have to dig it up a little because the ground is deep, because we used our mulch layer and it digs. You could go back and see that video. But we used our mulch layer to lay it down, and it's pretty deep, and it dug it pretty deep. It's pretty easy right here. It wasn't that deep, but as you go down farther, it's really deep. So I got to right here. So yeah.
Perfect. Looking good. Rise are soft with dew. Soon she's gone.